What if I told you there's a business you could launch this weekend with a bucket, a vacuum, and your phone that can make you over $500 a day? No shop, no employees, no boss breathing down your neck, just you a little elbow grease, and cars lining up like it's spa day for sedans. And no, this isn't crypto, drop shipping, or some weird app where you sell your left sock. This is legit. It's mobile car detailing, and people are paying you top dollar to clean their rides while they binge Netflix. Let's break it down. Mobile detailing is exactly what it sounds like. You deep clean cars, but instead of owning a shop, you go to the customer, their driveway, office parking lot, apartment complex. They sit inside sipping matcha lattes while you turn their dusty Corolla into a showroom gem. And because it's ultra convenient, you can charge premium rates. People will pay more to avoid a 2-hour wait at the car wash. Your menu could look like this: basic wash and wax for $80 to $120. Or go full Tesla therapy session clay bar, leather care, odor bomb for $250 to $350. The U.S. car wash and detailing market is worth over $12 billion annually. And mobile detailing? It's the fastest growing segment, expected to hit $2 billion by 2026. More people work from home equals dirty cars with no time to clean them. Everyone's busy. Convenience is king. Social media makes detailing go viral. Before and after reels perform extremely well. You're basically Uber Eats for cars without the food. Let's talk numbers. Here's what detailers are seeing. Basic detail, $100 to $150. Premium, $250 plus. 3 to 5 cars per day equals $300 to $600 per day. Monthly, $8,000 to $12,000. Detailers like at Detail Geek started with $1,500 setups and now run full-time businesses. Many folks launch with just their own car and neighborhood. So what do you need to get started? Spoiler, not much. Vacuum and extractor, $150 to $250. Pressure washer plus foam cannon, $100 to $200. Chemical kit, $120 to $200. Microfiber towels, brushes, $50. Water source, use customer's hose or 15 gallons tank, $50. Power supply, inverter or small generator, $100 to $200. Branding and booking, free Calendly account, Instagram profile, logo stickers, $20. Total startup cost, roughly $700 to $1,100. Start with friends, family, coworkers. Offer a first wash free deal. Fill before and afters. Post on TikTok, Reels, Facebook groups. Claim a Google business profile early. It ranks you above chains. Drop flyers at barbershops, gyms, luxury apartments. Offer 10% referral cuts. Offer fun targeted packages like pet hair purge, mom van rescue, date night shine. Pros: 100% flexibility, work when you want. High margins, 50 to 70% net after supplies. No rent, you bring the showroom. Scalable and automatable. Add tech, booking apps, CRM, or staff. Cons: weather woes. Rain equals canceled appointments. Physically demanding, knees, back, and arms get a workout. Picky customers, you missed a crumb? Takes time to build trust, plus regulars. Risk of damage, slip and fall, or accidental paint swirl, get insured. But hey, it beats sitting at a desk wondering if your mic is muted. Ready to go from solo washer to full-blown operation? Here's how. Subscription plans. $80 per month for weekly exterior wash, predictable revenue. Premium upsells, ceramic coating, $500 plus, paint sealant, headlight restoration. Fleet contracts. Approach local dealerships or realtors, big recurring checks. Branded van wrap, instant trust, and rolling billboard, $800 print. Referral rewards. Give clients $10 off for each friend they send. Viral growth. Think of yourself as the Netflix of car care. Get them hooked, then never let them quit. Do I need a license or insurance? Usually just a DBA/LLC and a general liability policy, $300 per year. What if I ding a door? Have a repair guarantee clause in your TOS and small damage fund. How long does each detail take? Anywhere from 1 to 3 hours, depending on package. Can I hire helpers right away? Only after you've proven demand. Otherwise, you'll be stuck managing payroll. Keep your paperwork cleaner than your client's carpets. Mobile detailing is flexible, visual, and high demand. It's perfect for students, retirees, or anyone tired of clocking in for someone else's dream. Want my free plug-and-play pricing sheet and checklist? Drop Detail Mastery in the comments. This is quiet hustle, where money moves in silence. Now go out there and give those cars the glow-up they deserve.